Hello viewers, this is attorney Naresh Gehi, and it's always a pleasure being on this wonderful program. And let us talk about the basics of deportation for the benefit of our viewers today. Very often I get a lot of phone calls in my office. Mr. Gehi, I have some really sad news, and the sad news is that my friend who was in this country illegally, he was illegal in America, and he has been picked up by immigration officials. Does this mean that that's the end of the case? The answer is no. The good news is that on several occasions, you can fight your relative's deportation or your friend's deportation even if he has been illegal in this country. Let's take a very simple example. Let me explain this. Your friend comes to this country either by crossing the border, or if he came into this country on a visitor's visa and he overstayed his visa, all of a sudden, immigration picks him up and puts him in detention. What are his rights? In this case, there's a very strong possibility that a good immigration lawyer should first be applying for a bond. And if there are no adverse factors and if he's a good person, the good news is that on many occasions, we have been able to get these people released from jail on bond, which means if your relative or your friend is detained by immigration and if he is illegal, consider the possibility of bond, and our law firm has been very successful in obtaining bonds for many people who have been in immigration detention. The answer is very simple. If you know of anyone who is in deportation or has received a deportation notice asking him or her to appear before an immigration judge, the answer is very simple. We would be more than happy to help you, and you should contact our office at 718-263-5999 immediately. Thereafter, what you can do after your relative comes out from jail, and for example, if he came out and if he came on a visitor's visa and is illegal now, he can still qualify for a green card if he gets married to an American citizen. Yes, even if he's in deportation and if he came with a visitor's visa, if he gets married to an American citizen, on most occasions, he can still qualify for a green card in America. Deportation is a very difficult area of immigration law, and it is very important for you to have the right representation before an immigration judge. We've helped many people whose relatives, friends have received notices to appear before an immigration judge, and we've helped people who have actually been in immigration jail, and the good news is that we've been successful in getting them out on bond. So if you know anyone or if you are in a situation wherein you have a hearing before an immigration judge, or if your immigration case is denied, call Gehi and Associates, attorneys and counselors at law, at 718-263-5999 for a free initial personal consultation, or visit our website and post your question to www.immigrationquestion.com. And also, we can be reached on SurSangeet, and the message is flashing. So if you have any further questions, we would be more than happy to assist you. This is Naresh Gehi, attorney at law. We'll be back again with some more interesting news from the world of immigration.